What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. On this one, you're going to see some early season turkey hunts. This is would be the fourth day of turkey season. It's pretty good. The weather is just now getting perfect. This is Brooklyn's second hunt of the year, and y'all watch and figure out what happens, but it's going to be a good one. So thank y'all for clicking on the video, and I hope y'all enjoy.
Oh, I see him. He's coming in, hey. He's coming in. He's full strut out there. I see him out there. Oh, come on. He's coming in. Hey, just get ready. I'm on him whenever. If you can get a shot, I'm on him. Shoot in there, shoot in there. You get him? Dave! Dang it. That freaking tree got in my way in autofocus. Hey.
I'll show you the first time.
Yes. We worked on that bird for a long time. Hey, what do you think about that?
Fingers crossed he's a long baby.
Fingers crossed. Couldn't see his beard. Uh-oh. Uh-oh!
Oh, come on, buddy.
Hey, look at that. What is he?
About a 6-inch
Hey, you know what that counts as?
long beard.
Long beard. Long beard. It's a far shot though. That was over 50 yards, I bet.
Yeah, maybe.
I bet it was about 50 yards. Yeah.
Alright. You done?
I doubt it. Watch his feet. He's not caught, but.
Yeah, he is.
We come out here this afternoon. Brooklyn just got off work, and I came out here this morning and got on a bird down here in this creek, and we went straight back to that spot. He gobbled. He come into about 30, right behind a tree. Brooklyn couldn't get a shot, and then a Jake come into like 20, and Brooklyn said, "I ain't shooting a Jake again." She shot 2 Jakes a couple years ago, and she's been trying to get on a long beard ever since. And when we got back to the truck, I called again, and he was down in this creek. So we come all the way back up. My uncle's house is probably 50 to 75 yards up there, and it took about an hour, but we got him called into about 45 or 50, and she put the smack down on him. First long beard.
You shaking?
First, yeah. First
like
turkey
he's
of the year for us, and he is a beauty. Very,
Yeah, he
very
is
good
pretty.
bird.
He's very pretty.
Congratulations, darling.
Thank you.
Now let's get some pictures before it gets too dark. Come on, work.
Uh-oh. 19.09?
I saw it twice.
Yeah, I did too. It says
Come on now.
1913.
Yeah.
Okay, so 1913.8. I'm gonna put it at. How will put it at? Like 1906 or whatever. Give me a second. 1906. Yeah, about half an inch. Yeah. No, that's 3/4.
That's 3/4, yeah.
Yeah, it
That's
is.
why I was like,
3/4.
3/4 inch first.
Not bad, not bad. Alright, you gotta.
Looks like, okay.
well, I was gonna clear it.
Oh, hold on, let me go underneath. Right there. Pull it top.
7.
7 inches.
Better than my 3.
Now take that.
Is this a link?
3 beers. 3/4 inch on both.
How do you do that? Just like this? For
Yeah.
both?
Yeah, just
Times 2?
you can do that.
Can you shoot a turkey that's got no beers? Have you ever heard of that?
Double like 2?
Double spurs.
Yeah,
I've never seen that. That's cool.
I've seen it on Instagram.
That's how you win some competitions though.
Yeah.
2005?
No,
1905.
1905.
Whoa.
What was yours? Oh, gosh.
26.
Luke, what did you shove down his throat?
Yeah. I love about doing that. Put some rocks in it.
All right, so this is our second weigh-in of the season. Brooklyn is in second and Luke is in first with the 3-bearded turkey. It's gonna take more than one bird to win it, hopefully. Me and Weston are still dragging, but I think it's gonna be a really good season. Just the first week,
Yeah.
first day after the open weekend. So
First good day of weather.
yeah, it's been nice today. It was really nice today. But yeah, so y'all just keep watching, and we'll have some more videos for y'all this week. Hopefully, definitely this weekend.
Yeah.
Someone will shoot something.
Yeah.
And actually get it on video, but
Hey,
Oh,
I
I
haven't
get
seen
extra
yours
points
yet.
for
yeah, but yeah, I guess that's it, huh?
Yeah.
Hopefully
Yeah,
we'll have
put my
more
camera
weigh-ins.
back on.
Yeah. Hopefully we'll have some more weigh-ins coming in soon. See y'all next time.